You can do as you please. You can do as you please. Oh, I am sorry, I am a bit late. Oh, I am sorry, I am a bit late. I beg your pardon? I beg your pardon? Would you please speak slowly? Would you please speak slowly? It's all yours. It's all yours. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I will try my best. I will try my best. Please help yourself. Please help yourself. Well done, dear. Well done, dear. Of course. Of course. Wonderful. Wonderful. How disgraceful. How disgraceful. Good heavens. Good heavens. How dare you? How dare you? Rest assured. Rest assured. Hurry up. Hurry up. Long time no see. Long time no see. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Watch out. Watch out. What a bother. What a bother. What nonsense. What nonsense. How disgusting. How disgusting. Yes, by all means, go ahead. Yes, by all means, go ahead. Go up. Go up. Go down. Go down. Get off. Get off. Let it be. Let it be. Count your money before you leave, please. Count your money before you leave, please. I'm a little short on money these days. I'm a little short on money these days. I'm running out of funds. I am running out of funds. Deposit the money in the bank, please. Deposit the money in the bank, please. Go make a withdrawal. Go make a withdrawal. How do I cash the money? How do I cash the money? He is not after the money. He is not after the money. What's your occupation? What's your occupation? How is the business going? How is the business going? Have you got your wages? Have you got your wages? He is in debt. He is in debt. How much does this book cost? How much does this book cost? Does he have any dealings with you? Does he have any dealings with you? Did he cash the check? Did he cash the check? My business is flourishing these days. My business is flourishing these days. They signed the deal. They signed the deal. He closed his business permanently. He closed his business permanently. His business went bankrupt. His business went bankrupt. He deals with sugar. He deals with sugar. How much is the bill, please? How much is the bill, please? Do you have the change? Do you have the change? Go ahead, keep the change. Go ahead, keep the change. Have you invested in the share market? Have you invested in the share market? We take money in advance. We take money in advance. I was born in January. I was born in January. He will come home in 2022. He will come home in 2022. I left the company in June 2009. I left the company in June 2009. I will leave in half an hour. I will leave in half an hour. I live in Canada. I live in Canada. He will study in America. He will study in America. I found no songs on his cell phone. I found no songs on his cell phone. We read it in the book. We read it in the book. Tom will leave in half an hour. Tom will leave in half an hour. I saw this photograph on his computer. I saw this photograph on his computer. This song is on your cell phone. This song is on your cell phone. Pour the coffee into the cup, please. Pour the coffee into the cup, please. He is going into the room. He is going into the room. The train will come early. The train will come early. I will come before you leave. I will come before you leave. Now I am standing before you. Now I am standing before you. He was sitting in front of his dad. He was sitting in front of his dad. He was standing in front of me. He was standing in front of me. He can't stand before me. He can't stand before me. Or, he can't stand in front of me. He can't stand in front of me. I will meet you after 10. I will meet you after 10. I reached them. I reached them. The train will be late. The train will be late. I will come after you leave. I will come after you leave. He met Tom after 10. He met Tom after 10. The police are after the thief. The police are after the thief. I was stopped by someone. I was stopped by someone. He can be sent by his father. He can be sent by his father. I traveled by bus. I traveled by bus. He is coming on the afternoon flight. He is coming on the afternoon flight. I will leave by 6 o'clock. I will leave by 6 o'clock. We will finish this by morning. We will finish this by morning. We were informed by the manager about the cancellation. We were informed by the manager about the cancellation. He was scolded by his mom. He was scolded by his mom. I was going to the gym by bike. I was going to the gym by bike. I will go to the gym at 7. I will go to the gym at 7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video has taught you many sentences that you can use on a daily basis in your conversations. Please try practicing them over and over until you get really good at them. Until next time, take care.